Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about the activities at the time of speaking. For example, he is eating bingo. He is coming down from the up. He is walking on the track. He is moving hands so fast. He is going to take the football. He is taking the football and he is playing with football. He is kicking the football. He is playing the football. He is kicking the football and he is smiling. He is smiling right now. So, to talk about the activities at the time of speaking, we use present continuous tense. So, మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు అది జరుగుతూ ఉంటే దాన్ని present continuous tense లో వాడతాము. Example, he is playing the football, he is kicking the football and he is taking the football. Yes, he is running after the football. He is running after the football. He is doing some exercises. He is doing some exercises. People are walking on the track. People are walking on the track. He is doing some exercises. He is sitting on the edge. What is your plan tomorrow?
Delhi.
So, he is planning to go to Delhi tomorrow. He is going to Delhi tomorrow. So, we use present continuous tense to say the arrangements and plans. The first one is to talk about the activities at the time of speaking, and the second one is to talk about the plans and arrangements. Now, he wants to go to Delhi tomorrow. He is saying, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. What is your plan for next day?
No.
He is saying, I am going to search next week. I am not going to search next week. He is saying, I am not going. So, మనం నెగిటివ్ చెప్పాలనుకున్నప్పుడు నాట్ పెట్టాలి. I am not going to search. He is asking who is going to search. To make questions in present continuous tense,
Yes.
we use is, am, are in the subject place and the subject after the helping verb. For example, are you? You are going to Delhi. You are you? Are you going to Delhi? Hello boy, are you going to Delhi tomorrow?
No.
He is saying he is not going to Delhi tomorrow. ఇంకా మనం డబుల్ హెచ్ తోటి కూడా కొన్ని స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టుమారో? బాయ్, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టుమారో?
Delhi.
And he is saying now, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. He is saying that, he is saying I am not going truly. Very nice. So to make questions, we use helping verb first and next we use the subject. Suppose, are you going to Delhi? Are you going to the party tonight? Are you going to Vijayawada tomorrow? Are you going to school next year? He is saying yes, I am going to school next year. We use negative forms to tell about the things which are not happening. Suppose he is not walking now. He is walking, but this boy is not walking. This boy is standing and that man is walking. So we use negative forms to tell about the things are not happening. The activity is not occurring at the time of speaking. He is not walking. So, today we have covered present continuous tense. The first one. We use present continuous tense for two things. To talk about activities at the time of speaking. He is climbing a tree and he is sitting on the tree. And to talk about plans and arrangements. He is going to Delhi tomorrow. And he is not going to school tomorrow. And third one, to make questions. Are you going to Delhi tomorrow?
No.
He is saying no, he is not going to Delhi tomorrow. And negatives. He is not going to tomorrow. He is not going to Delhi tomorrow. Where are you going tomorrow?
No, my going.
He is not going anywhere tomorrow. So, to talk about certain plans and arrangements, we talk present continuous tense. So, this is today's class. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.